I'm Elmer Fogata of BSBA 2.2A and I'm going to speak about no internet for 100 days. What if one day we suddenly get access to internet and it will long for 100 days before we can use it again? I guess the first week will surely hard for us for not being able to use internet. But it can actually make us productive. Like instead of playing in bed, spend time with it in a whole day, we can actually find a task or a job that we can do in a day. Also, there's a lot of things that we can replace internet. Watch television, playing games outside, or clean our own house. And also, we can study while doing those stuff. When using internet, it consumes a lot of our time without doing nothing in a day. If there's no internet, we can multitask, like studying while watching TV, studying while cleaning our own house, and it's actually great, right? For not having internet connection in a day, because it will make us productive. That's all. Thank you.